about the discard of these utensils, I would like to tell you that these utensils, if you're regularly using in your kitchen for 3-time meal, these are good to go for 1 to 1.5 years time. After that, one has to discard these utensils and take a new utensil, because the reason for discarding these utensils is that the minerals which are present in these utensils in the soil actually gets absorbed in your food. Even after even after your 1.5 years, if your pot is in a good state, you want to use it, but you can still do the cooking in these utensils, but ultimately you will not get any health benefit out of it, because the minerals have already been consumed. And later on, after like 1 to 1.5 years, then you need to change your pot again. And the pot which is like you've been using for cooking, it can be used for many other purposes, like it can be used to store your pulses, your lentils, your rice. You can store your potato and onions also. These don't get rotten very often, so they even your potatoes don't get rotten, and they remain fresh for longer period. Another very important and interesting part is that you can use it as a planter. You can grow your plants and succulents into these pots. These are healthy also, and these are biodegradable also. So that way, even after like you have utilized these utensils for cooking purpose, you can switch for another purpose. You can use it for many other purposes. So this is another benefit of it.